Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Uniswap. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now, the first level we can spot is our key monthly swing high. We can also plot a swing low here, as we see price reacting to this level as support. Now, we can also notice a key level right here, where price reacted to with multiple candlesticks as support. Top to the weekly. Now, here on the weekly, we can see this level more clearly, but what we're going to do is fine tune the level to these candle bodies here, as it's more clear on the weekly, the support level. Now, we can also plot a key level in here. As we see multiple reactions acting as resistance, price broke through, acting as support before reversing. We also notice price acting as resistance here, and long wick rejections reacting to the level. We can also fine tune our monthly level to the weekly close. So, here on the weekly, let's look at our most recent price action. And what do we notice? We see a key level right here, where price came down, hit, and reversed, acting as support, which is obvious to spot. Then we see price come up, hit, and reverse, the same level acting as resistance. Now, we also notice a key level right here, where price broke through, reversed, and we see a pullback acting to this level as resistance. And as price hit our support level here, came up, we see a reaction to the same level acting as resistance before reversing drastically. Now, here are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video and got any value from it today, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.